Hey, everybody, I'm Corey Barber of Barber Companies, where we help prepare your company to be at a place to access the capital that we know you need to be able to grow, sustain, and scale your business. And so today I wanted to talk a little bit about getting ready to be able to access the capital and what that looks like financially and what the banks want to see when it comes to your financial documentation. This is absolutely critical because this paints the picture, whether it be a cloudy picture or a very clear picture of the state of your company. And so I wanted to go over a few documents and a few things that the bank is going to want to see in order for you to be able to access capital, or not just the bank, but lenders are going to want to see in order to access capital. And so we'll start with tax returns. Make sure that you are doing your tax returns and having them completed on time. In addition to that, banks are going to want to see your personal and your business typically for a 2 to 3 year time period. Your tax returns are in essence a official transcript that banks use to assess your expenses, your revenue, and things of that nature. And so it's absolutely critical that those are done on time and you have them as far as being the most recent copy of your tax returns. Yes, there are times where you have to get extensions and things of that nature, but if you know you're looking to borrow money, have them done on time. Let's go to another piece. We're going to look at a profit and loss statement. A profit and loss statement is absolutely critical. Make sure that it is clear, concise, and easy to read, because this is a beautiful breakdown of your expenses, your revenue, your net profit over a specific period of time. And so banks are going to want to see that because typically your tax returns are lagging a little bit. And so there's a time period between your tax returns and this profit and loss statement will fill in the gap and tell additional story. In addition to that, a balance sheet. Balance sheets are absolutely critical because they include your assets, your liabilities, equity, all of those things. This is a critical piece where bankers are able to see the financial position of your company. And so let's move a little bit on to your debt and credit history. This is absolutely critical. Why is it critical? Because your history in a lot of cases will determine the future moves and things that you do. And so banks want to see how you managed your debt, what debt you have. Are you over leveraged? Do you have the capacity for the new proposed debt? And so seeing your debt and credit history is absolutely critical. And the last piece is a business plan and projections. This is the means by which we see how well thought out you are looking at your business, because this business plan and projections is in essence a roadmap as to where you currently are, where you want to be, and how to get there. And it spells these things out, and it shows that you've taken the time to consider the rising costs when it comes to fuel or raw materials or a timeline or how to mitigate this, that, and the other. And so, again, I just wanted to briefly talk about some financial pieces that you need to put in place and consider now. That way, when it's time to be ready, you're ready already. And so take these pieces and hopefully use them, especially in this time that we're in now as we're ending the year. Tax time is coming, to be able to position your business to access all the capital that you need. Again, I'm Corey Barber with Barber Companies. We would love to serve you. Feel free to reach out. Thank you for all the wonderful feedback and the conversations we're having and how we're able to serve customers. Feel free to DM me or contact me. I'll put my link where we can set up a time and have a conversation and let me know how we can serve you. Have a wonderful week.